everyone, I'm Mandy with Sugary Crafts and I am ready to try a new crafting tool. I got the xTool M1 laser cutting machine and we're gonna do an unboxing to see what it comes with and then look forward to weekly projects that you can tune into as well. This is a ginormous box. xTool sent me the M1 and I am super excited to try it out because it's something I've never done before. And so if you too are new to laser cutting, we can learn together. I'll show you what's in here. It looks super cute right when you unbox it. And it has this pull tab here. Okay, once you get the pull tab pulled, it opens almost like a book. Look at all these project ideas right there. It's really well packed. Okay, so first right on top are a couple of mats. There's this rotary accessories kit. Let's see what's in here. There they all are, packaged up so perfectly. And then you take that layer out and there are more underneath. There are risers. It comes with a premium material package. I'm excited about this because I wasn't sure where to get or what I would like to cut with the machine. So if it comes with some tester things, that is awesome. It's with a catalog so you can see what items they have available. A tote bag. Wooden tags. A pack of different types of wood sheets. There are a ton of materials in here. So there are like metal tags, there's a wood, like a coaster. There are papers in here, leather, sheets, just everything you could ever want to test out. Also papers and vinyl. The next box to come out is the rotary attachment for the M1. Comes with a user manual. I think this is for things that roll, such as if you wanted to do like a tumbler. Again, super well packaged. Okay, and then the actual machine itself. Let me move the box out of the way. Okay, let's open it up. It's so sleek. Okay, let's open the lid. There's foam in here as well. Oh. Here's our instructions. It talks about how they have getting started videos, which I will definitely be utilizing. And then it also comes with the user manual and looks like a little bit more materials that you can cut. There's also replacement blades hidden in here. I think this is the venting system, power sources, triangular prisms to prop up things inside the laser cutter. And more mats down in the bottom. This is loaded. It came with way more supplies than I anticipated, and I am super excited to be able to try out cutting on a variety of things so that I know what my favorites are as I get going. You want to see what it looks like inside? So sleek and new. I cannot wait. Alrighty, now that I've got it opened and unboxed, I need to watch the get started video so I can figure out what all of these things do. All the things that it came with, all of the extra accessories so I know how to get those going and then use all of these supplies that it came with as testers. So be sure to tune in as I learn, and you can learn alongside with me and I'll share all the tips as I get going and dive into this new machine. I am so excited. I love making and creating, and this is gonna be an amazing tool to facilitate all those ideas.